Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another video. This is Dr. Freddy of Freddy's Farm. So for today, I would like to give you a small surprise because I was surprised myself. The date today is the 11th of August 2026, and it's winter here in Kenya. I mean, when I say winter, it's our cold months. We don't really have snow per se, but the temperature will go down to 10, 12 degrees Celsius. Okay, that's our winter here in Nairobi. Well, anyway, uh, this morning I was surprised to see our sugar dragon. Okay, so this is sugar dragon, and I was surprised to see a bud. Okay, so our sugar dragon is giving us two buds actually. There's another one here. Yeah, and today is only August. Normally, fruiting season here in Kenya, in Nairobi, starts in November. In fact, sometimes even early December, because November we still have plenty of rains, a lot of rains in November, especially here in Nairobi. But I was surprised this morning when I tried to check our dragon fruit plants. I I saw two buds. Okay, I didn't really expect this because really fruiting season starts in November up to May or June the next year. So yeah guys, I am very happy and excited to see two flowers of sugar dragon at this month of the year. Okay, August. So I'll keep you posted uh, of whether or not these two buds will continue to blossom and become fruits. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and if you are new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified always whenever we have new videos. And don't forget to like and share as well, just to help our channel with regards to the algorithm. Bye guys! Mungu awabariki. Kwaheri, bye! Blessings always.